The CuroCell SAM PRO is a static air mattress overlay. It can be used as an aid in the prevention and in the treatment of pressure ulcers up to and including Category 3. The SAM PRO offers exceptional high levels of comfort. It can also be used as an aid in pain therapy. By using the optional inner cover, comfort is increased while further reducing the pressure. The comfort dial is easily adjusted for individual levels of comfort, and therefore the SAM PRO can be used in a wide range of care situations. With a maximum weight capacity of 250 kilos, this overlay meets the ever-increasing challenges of heavier patients. The CuroCell SAM PRO features a new cost-effective pump which automatically maintains chosen pressure settings. This function allows the pump to operate only when needed. It also makes the pump silent running, vibration free, power efficient and long lasting. The pump is easy to use and is designed with cleaning and hygiene in mind. The quick connectors offer a smart transport function. The CuroCell SAM PRO is equipped with a CPR function and also features a low pressure alarm. When deflated, the mattress can easily be rolled and stored. With the CF16 option, the SAM PRO can also be used as a full replacement mattress. The CF16 includes a 6 cm integrated foam base, and being only 16 cm high, this mattress is suitable when used with adjustable side rails. The CuroCell SAM PRO has undergone extensive testing with excellent results.